In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ETFs on eToro. If you're using eToro and want to look up exchange-traded funds, the process is very straightforward once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to search for a specific ETF, how to open its market page, and how to browse ETFs if you're not sure which one you want yet. To begin, sign in to your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main platform interface where you can access the search tools and market categories. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving on, since some features and market pages may be easier to view from inside your account. Next, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. This is the quickest way to find a specific ETF if you already know its name or ticker symbol. Click into the search field so you can start typing. Now enter the ETF name or symbol you want to find. For example, you could type VOO. As you type, eToro will usually display matching results, which helps narrow things down quickly and saves time if you already know what you're looking for. Using the ticker symbol is often the fastest option, especially if multiple funds have similar names. When the correct ETF appears in the search results, click on it to open its dedicated page. This takes you to the ETF's main market screen, where you can review its information in more detail. Once you're on the ETF page, take a moment to review the key details. You can check the current price, look at the chart, and explore market information related to that fund. This is useful if you want to understand how the ETF has been performing or simply confirm that you've opened the right asset before taking any further action. If you don't want to search for one specific ETF, there's another way to find them. You can go to the Discover section and select ETFs. This lets you browse available ETFs directly within the platform, which can be helpful if you're comparing options or just exploring what's available on eToro. From there, choose the ETF you want to view or trade. Once selected, you'll be able to access its page and decide what you want to do next. And that's how to find ETFs on eToro. Thanks for watching.